ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು BA ಸೋಷಿಯಾಲಜಿ 5th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಫೋನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ಫೋನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ನ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಯಾ dedicated routers and servers. When two computers are connected over the internet, they can send and receive all kinds of information such as text, graphics, voice, video and computer programs. No one owns internet, although several organizations the world over collaborate in its functioning and development. The high-speed fiber optic cables through which the bulk of the internet data travels are owned by telephone companies their respective ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ನ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನೇನು ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಟುಡೇ people located in a remote part of an island or interior of Africa can also use internet. Easy to use. Next feature is the software which is used to access the internet is designed very simple, therefore it can be easily learned and used. It is easy to develop. Next process is interaction with other media. The next feature is internet service has a high degree of interaction with other media. For example, news and other magazine publishing houses have extended their business with the help of internet service. The next feature is very low cost. The development and maintenance cost of internet service are comparatively very low. Next feature is extension of existing IT technology. The facilities that sharing of IT technology by multiple users in organization and even facilitates other trading partners to use. Flexibility and communication. Communication through internet is flexible enough. It facilitates communication through text, voice and video too. These services can be availed at both organizational and individual level. Last but not the least, internet facility has a certain extent helped the security system both at the individual and national level with components such as CCTV, camera, etc. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಟು ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಬದುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣವೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಜಗತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಜರೂರಾಗಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ international relationships and connections. These international interactions are important in trade, social exposure, cultural knowledge and embracing diversity. It facilitates the interaction between different countries and individuals from different nations without formal agreements. The next importance is globalization. Compared to internationalization, globalization is more formal and focuses on the global economy. The internet is crucial in establishing one global economy because it eliminates the physical boundaries that most avenues of business and communication have. The third importance of internet is communication. Today, most people use the internet primarily for communication. The diverse communication platforms ensure that everyone has a preferred network. Business tend to prefer formal platforms like LinkedIn and emails, while young people prefer less formal chatting sites such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Most forms of communication, including those on mobile phones, require connectivity to the internet. The fourth importance of internet is information dissemination. Most people in the world today will Google something before they ask for smartphone from other people. The famous saying that the internet has all the answers is true thanks to unlimited content available online. In some instances, people solve problems like a flat car tire or a wet phone using videos and articles online. The internet also comes in handy with basic information like product ratings and historical events. The importance of internet access. Internet access refers to the ability of individual and organization to connect to the internet using computer terminals, computers and other devices. If you want to access the internet, you will need an internet service provider and a router to connect to the ISP. The ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಫೆನಾಮಿನನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Every student in college talks about the importance of internet for students. However, most of them have no clue about the depth of the internet, places like how useful it is and when to use it. The internet has brought about many advancements in communication technology, communication as well as education. The internet could serve as a tutor to the students. Students can use the internet for quick process to avail information and the knowledge they need for the projects and assignments. In spite of the debates and criticisms against internet use for students, it still contributes to the growth in their lives and academic world. First one is it does not require break or time. The world of internet is always active and never takes a break. This act follows the students to complete their assignments, research projects and work at any time that suits them. Regardless, if you are looking for assistance or a report for reading, you can always find it around the clock in the internet. Second advantage is real-time data. The online world has the capability of being in real time. There is an estimation that more than 60,000 pages of new data are inserted to the web page each passing day. This estimation implies students have better current information that is up to date. The real-time data also assists the teachers in tailoring lectures in a more existing way. The third advantage is the new internet provides students with new methods of interacting with each other during holiday breaks through social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Various online applications additionally permit students to get meaningful ways of conducting and building relationships as they study. Students can interact with their companions at any time they want. Helps in the research process. The internet makes research basic, simple and speedy and also makes it more appealing. The internet is an effective platform for conducting your research. If your lecturer gives you a research project to work on, you will find a lot of sites on the web that can provide vast information about various subjects and topics. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಂತೂ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ.